Retriever returns with groundbreaking new capabilities, such as our exposing the whole web agent Chrome extension as MCP server, as well as our WhatsApp bot and cloud platform where you can do scalable automations. But let's dive back into the Chrome extension. You can just give natural language queries and to do on your active tab, like send a connection request to Google's CTO, Jeff Dean, and our agent takes action on your browser and accomplishes this task. So we have a complex agentic framework that can break down complex problems into smaller steps with subagents that won't lose context. So we've seen up to 30-minute long executions sustainably being executed. And the best part is you can do your own thing while Retriever works in the background. So you can read the news and check back in when it's done. And so yeah, it found Jeff Dean. It was in the connection request, and you can actually use Retriever at cost by just putting in your own Gemini API key, or you can just ask Retriever to do it for you. We have a shortcut configured so that Retriever just sets up the project and the key for you and configures itself, so you don't even need to worry about that. So it's sending the note, and Retriever can take actions across multiple parallel tabs, enabling multiple parallelization of long horizon tasks. So you can say not only just send Jeff Dean an invitation request, send a bunch of people like Sundar, the whole crew, and we can open multiple tabs in the background and take action across all of them using your own browser credential. So tools like websites like LinkedIn are aggressively anti-bot detection. So you'll have to do any sort of like automation within your own browser. Otherwise, LinkedIn will block your account. But if you just keep it within certain limits, you're good to go. So it sent the connection request, and we can move on to other examples. So it has sent it and say, I want to create a shortcut of this. I can just say like give it a name, and I'll be able to just quickly re-execute it. So we have one for Gemini key, getting the Gemini key that will configure it for you automatically. And to demo the other useful shortcut, we could say like the hashtag to get the other tabs. So say we have these two tabs, and we have a bunch of tools that are like you can connect through like MCP servers here, or you can define your own tools, or you can just ask the agent to be like, hey, use this API key on screen to create a tool, like to load context to HubSpot, for example. And we have system tools that you can manually call and skip the planning step completely. So if I selected these two tabs of these two LinkedIn profiles in the background and say call our extract to sheets tool, and it's like extract. So with just that simple prompt, our agent is able to work on both these tabs in the background, extract the relevant information to a Google Sheet for you. And again, we only work on Google Sheets that you either explicitly grant us access to or that Retriever has created before. So we can't take any other actions at all, like any other Google Sheet actions other than what you have explicitly given us. So Retriever extracted the information and has created the columns. And yeah, to just confirm again, this is the way you can grant us access to a Google Sheet that is from your drive so that we can take action on it. So we also added a new capability exposing the AI web agent Chrome extension as MCP server. So you just need to copy the URL, and you can add it to your favorite tools like Claude or any other AI agent that has a MCP server capability. Paste the URL, give it a name, and boom, just like that, Claude can trigger actions on your browser. So we're disrupting the 3-decade-old paradigm of only you being able to interact with like a website. Now websites can take action on your browser to do cross-site automations, for example. So I had previously asked Claude to use the Retriever tool to get the top LinkedIn post, and it had opened the tab in the background, got the post, and got it for me. And yeah, we're excited to see all the things people play around with. And as a helpful thing, maybe you have like a very complex prompt like do my taxes, You can use the retriever's prompt enhancement to see what our agent will think of how to break that problem down, and you can further refine that prompt before you send that task over. And you can give a recording to better demonstrate like a very complex problem for the model, for the agent to solve, and then it will be able to re-execute that perfectly. And after you perfect it with the Chrome extension, or like have a execution you would like, you can just go to the website and scale it out across thousands of our own cloud browsers for at scale automation and data extraction. Thank you.